Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we will take a look at how we can fix why Google is not working for Android and Google is not opening. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and also turn on the notification so that you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Now be sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now here are some things that we can do to fix our current problem. So what we can do is we need to check that our Google application is currently up to date. So let's head on over into our Google Store. And then we're going to be searching for Google right here. And let's go ahead and click on Google. And as you can see here, my Google application is not currently up to date. So we can go ahead and click on update, and this should fix the problem. If the problem is not fixed, here are a few more things that we can do. We can go ahead and delete or clear out our cache on Google. So let's go into our settings, and then we're going to be scrolling all the way down until we find the apps section. Now we can go ahead and go on the top right to search for an app, and then let's type in Google right here. Now if Google is currently running, we can go ahead and click on force stop on the bottom right and then click OK, and we're gonna go into our storage right here. And now we can go ahead and click on manage storage on the bottom left, and we can go ahead and clear the Google search data, or we can go ahead and clear all data right here. Now once that has cleared, if you still have some cache, go right on ahead and clear that, and go ahead and fully restart your Google application. What you can also do is you can go ahead and restart your phone so everything restarts from the very beginning, and that should fix your problem. There you go. Thank you for watching the video.